Hello again, Roman from Eventee here. Today we are at Marketing Festival, the biggest conference about marketing in Czech Republic, if not in Central Europe. We are here today with my colleague to simply walk around and ask attendees what they think about our Eventee mobile application. So let's come with me.
Hey, I'm Marketa from ULab, a PPC agency, and I'm here at Marketing Festival. And why I really like Eventee app. It's simple because I don't have to search for the program and I have it always on my mobile. That's it.
Hello, my name is Jan. I do freelance SEO, and today I'm attending Marketing Festival here in Brno. And it is really nice to use Eventee app for the festival because I can see all the attendees before the event. So I can see what people that I know are attending and I can schedule a meetup with them, or I can find some new people to network with. So it's really nice to use Eventee app for the festival.
Hello, I'm Vandelina and I'm a brand strategist, and the Eventee app is for me especially not like an app about the program and the speakers, but also the social platform when I can connect it with the guests, when I can share the photos and have a fun time in all the events.
Hello everyone, my name is Andre. I'm from Canary Ride, from company from Spain. I'm at Marketing Festival right now and I'm using the Marketing Festival app. Which is, I think it's a fantastic idea. Naturally, I'm a more introvert, so this app is actually allow me to, before I will arrive to the place, I already have some connections and I can meet people here, and I think it's a game changer for people like me. I really like to connect with people, but it's kind of, you know, how it is networking, it's kind of hard. So this app allows you to, fun way, connect with people. And I think for a lot of events like this is just, it's a must, to be honest. And I have really fun with the getting points and the leaderboards there. So I think it's a fun way to attend this event. And I think it's my favorite marketing festival right now because I've been here every year, and this app is just spot on.
Hi guys, I'm Lucas. We are at Marketing Festival here in Brno, and I had the pleasure to use your app and I liked it really a lot, so I reached out to Roman, let's talk about that. And the app works. I had really nice conversations from there, and I liked a lot of things. The social wall was nice. I got some meetings out from there, so everything was clear. I got a good overview like where I have to head. The guys from Marketing Festival, they did an awesome job how to inform the people, and the app is awesome. Thanks.
Hi, I'm Tom from Persuara, and what I like the most about Eventee is the UX, the experience, because it's the one place where I can get my networking, my messages with people. That's what actually I like the most, that I can connect with people and I can arrange meetings. I have the time there, and that's really useful for me. The other thing that I like is I can see the whole lineup of the event, and I can click and take a notification there, and I can be reminded that the talk is gonna start. Yeah, that's it.
Hi guys, I'm Tomas from PwC in the Czech Republic, and this is my first time here in Brno, the Marketing Festival. And I've been using the Marketing Festival application because it helped me to get on board before my arrival, and also why I'm here is very useful with networking with other guys.
So hi, I'm Veronika Grosova from Reed. Reed is a recruitment company. It's an agency, and we are here for several reasons. And I'm really happy that the team came up with such a great app, because we can easily find there a network of people and connect. also the feed is really well made, and there are all the information that we need. So it's really, really well done, and it's not just because I perceive it like that, but I spoke to several people and they praised it as well. So that's really nice job.
Wow, what a day. As you can see, all the feedback was extremely positive. And that's the biggest reason why we wake up every day looking forward to the office, simply to work on Eventee. So even you at your events can enjoy such a great experience. Sometime soon, have a great day. Bye.